All right, out here in Madison, it's a rental property that is got 2 rooms, and you can see that these are pretty heavily soiled. It's typical for rental units. I guess people think since they don't own it, they can just trash it. But you can see that heavy, oily goo right there and coming off the hallway, which is some of that vinyl laminate. That might be just regular laminate flooring down there, but that holds a lot of oil and transfers from the feet to the carpet. And here is the second bedroom. Again, the same exact situation, just a heavy, oily, gooey gunk right there. The rest of the carpet in this room is not quite as bad, but again, see what we can do with it. Stand by. Okay, here we are with the finished results, and I would say that it is way better. I've been doing this since Ronald Reagan was president, and I still get impressed with the end results of some of these jobs. I mean, this was funky to the maximum, and it is now looking virtually brand new. The camera never really shows just how clean a carpet actually looks. Just gives you a good idea, but all that oil and grease and goo is gone. Just looks fantastic. And what's interesting about this is that I cleaned this with our low moisture system. If you go to carpetcleaninghuntsville.com/specials, you'll see that we offer 3 ways of cleaning carpets: low moisture, then traditional steam cleaning, and then our exclusive Rotovac system. And all of them are great ways to clean carpet. The low moisture approach is the least expensive, $99 for 3 or 4 rooms, whereas traditional steam cleaning is $139 for 3 or 4 rooms. And then the Rotovac, which is the best system, the one that I recommend the most, is $189 for 3 to 4 rooms. So thanks for watching. This is Tony with Clean Easy Carpet and Floor Cleaning. If you want to get on the schedule, give me a call at 256-886-9100, or you can text that same number, or simply go to carpetcleaninghuntsville.com/specials, look at my packages, and then contact me then.